guys, today I'm going to be making slime using Nickelodeon slime stuff. So my sister got a kit that had like some stuff with it. So there's some Nickelodeon slime activator. I'm just going to show this to you. I'm not sure what it is exactly. It is just clear liquid. And then there is Nickelodeon slime clear glue. I think the bottle is foggy and that's why it looks this way, but I am not 100% sure. I might not use all of it because I might keep some of it and use other activator. In the kit that she got, it said to add water to the mixture, so I might just add water to the mixture for some safe measure. And also in this video, I'm going to be adding some essential oil to this. I don't know if you guys watched any of my 2 bath bomb videos. One of them is making, it's mixing a bath bomb into slime, and the other one is how to make a bath bomb. And in the how to make a bath bomb, I don't use essential oils because I'm making it chocolate, so chocolate like scented, so I'm using actually cocoa stuff. But you can color, you can, I cannot talk today, I'm sorry. You can scent your clear slime with that. So let's get into it. So I am just gonna be adding in the glue. Okay, we're gonna first start mixing. I'm just gonna do this. There, for now. Okay, so now I'm gonna be adding some essential oil. This is it. It is, where it is. It's like citric. I've smelt it before. So, it's not colored, but it's actually tinted. So I hope that doesn't dye it yellow, because I don't really want yellow clear slime right now.
I already have yellow clear slime. And it is like oil, so it might be hard to mix in. As you can probably already tell, it's tinted a little yellow. So yeah, just make sure it's colored, but essential oil. It's kind of hard to see in camera, but it's like the tiniest bit yellow. Or color like lemonade slime or something. Make something up. Okay, I'm just going to be pouring it there until we have our slime. Okay, so I'm just going to let this pretty good slime, it's really jiggly, it's kind of weird, but I'm pretty sure after letting it sit for a few days it will be good. So I'm just going to put it in the container. And remember that when you're letting slime sit, you have to put it in a sealed container. And then I'm just going to let it sit until I see that it's cleared up. It could be up to a few days for me. For you guys, of course, it will only be like 3 seconds. But yeah, so this might take some time. So if you're doing like a slime thing, it'll be about a few days. And then every time you use it, it will probably become weird again. And I don't know if you saw, but I had some paint on me. So this is my little constant on the floor. And yeah, so.
Hey guys, so I have let them set. I'm not sure for the exact amount of time. I think it was about 2 days, and I cannot locate the other one. I put 2 in a container like this, and then I have the one in this one. I cannot locate the other one that's in this container, so I don't really know where it is. And this one has cleared up. This one has completely cleared up, but I thought I would just want to show you. I have been playing with this one over time, so yeah, this one sticks to the top. It's kind of weird. So I'll put this guy to the side. So it's pretty clear. It just has a lot of bubbles in it. The bottom is clear. Like, do you see that? There's like a layer of clear. It's pretty stretchy. It rips definitely, but it's pretty stretchy. If you put it down, I mean, it's kind of pokey. It could definitely be pokier, but I think that it's pretty good for like a clear slime because it's not sticky at all. there's a lot that sticks to the top, so it's the same consistency as that. Okay, on to our next. Okay, this is the clearer one out of the two. It's pretty clear. The bottom of this container is fogged out. If that's why it looks weird to you. Okay. It is a little colored, but I'm okay with that. It's pretty clear. Like, I mean, it's clear. Like, that's what I call non-bubbly clear slime. Oh my god, this one's better than the other one. I don't know how, but it's better. This one is so good. It does have like a jelly-ish like feel to it, but I have noticed that when you add water into clear slime, it ends up jelly-like. I think that's why. I think the other one just had a little more water concentration in it, and that's why it kind of ended up like that. But I am not 100% sure about that one. And as you can see, as I'm playing with it, it's becoming less and less clear. Because air bubbles. That's the only thing about clear slime. You play with them like one day every week. Okay, so I have come up with an idea where I am going to be mixing some sparkly eyeshadow into this clear slime, or if I can find the other one that I mislocated. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I couldn't find the other one that I mislocated. I'm actually pretty sad because clear slime is really hard to come by. Like good clear slime, it's so hard to come by. So I'm kind of sad that I lost it, but it'll turn up and then it'll be crystal clear because I wouldn't have touched it for a while. So I'm using this one that I made with another one. I did not add any water into this one, so this one is a little more slimy. Like it's not as jiggly. It's a little sticky. I think that is one of the issues with clear slime. If it's good, it's probably gonna be sticky. That's the thing. But it isn't that bad. Like, I can just stick it off my fingers. It's kind of dirty, the slime, like, but I'm just gonna, see, it's kind of dirty, but it's still clear slime, so we're just gonna bear with it. This is the eye makeup that I'm using. It's from Claire's Eye Glitter. I don't really use it unless like for like Halloween or something. So I just decided, why not? This looks so fancy, it's like an ASMR. So I'm just gonna scoop some of it up. Some of it, I literally took like all of it. This makeup is dying. I'm hoping that this makes a pretty color. It has all different colors mixed together. It looks so pretty, but then you mix it together and it's like this ugly brown. It's like, so sad. Because this is like a pretty good clear slime and I don't have any more clear glue. So, this is my last. Okay. Okay, so it is pretty good. I mean, the color is not the prettiest color. It's kind of like a grayish blue. I got a lot of the blue all over the table, but it's eyeshadow, so it will come off. Whatever, I'll get that later. I do have to say the eyeshadow, I think, made it a little more sticky. Like the eyeshadow, I don't know if it was melted or anything, but it was like weird. Like it wasn't like normal eyeshadow. Like it wasn't powdery. But it's actually pretty good. I'm actually in love with it. It's actually kind of pretty. Like it grows on you. It's like super glossy slime. It's a little stickier than before. But I mean, I think that honestly, in all honesty, I'm pretty good with sticky slimes. I mean, sure, it gets all over my fingers because it's sticky slime. Guys, sorry for that lighting change. But like, yeah. There we go. These glitter containers, I mean, I guess they're good for containing the slime, but it's really hard to get the slime in it. Like, it's hard. Because it's weird. I don't even know. Okay, I'll be right back. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, write some new ideas in the comment section down below because I myself am running out of some ideas. And you can write hashtag shoutout for a shoutout in one of my videos. Once again, another reminder, if you have already gotten one shoutout in a previous video, the chance of you getting another shout out in our next video is very low. I kind of just want to give everybody a chance, and if if one person says hashtag shout out, I'm going to be waiting for somebody else to do it before you get your shout out. So just be patient and you'll get a shout out, and once you get one shout out, it is possible that you'll get another one if I get no other people, but if I get other people, then no. So yes, and if you would like to hear about like my schedule and what's going on in this channel, or if you have never watched any of my videos, you can go to my channel and watch my updates video, and I'll explain everything that you need to know about my channel and about how our next few weeks and this summer is going to be. So thank you guys for watching. Bye!